What's up, guys? Check it out. This is 1 computer, 2 computer, 3 computer. I bought this one pre-built and then I customized it out and swapped the internals and so forth. I got this as a product review, just the shell, and I completely built it from the inside out. I got this from the same company, just the shell, and I built it from the inside out, fully customized. Check that out. So I'm now working on redoing this one. I'm gonna build it to be bigger and better than before. But check out those lights. Is that not cool or what? That's pretty awesome if you ask me. So stay tuned for future builds. And I'm also working on a light system in the office. We're gonna make this office sick.